To buy a fractional share on Etrade. The process is straightforward and quick. Begin by opening the Etrade website and logging into your account using your user ID and password. Next, select the stock you wish to purchase by using the search bar feature or choosing from the dashboard. Once you've selected your stock, locate the initial investment option and ensure it displays a $0 amount, as this allows you to buy any amount, effectively making it a fractional share. If the amount is not zero, you will need to purchase at least that amount. With the $0 amount confirmed, click the Buy button at the top of the screen. Then enter your desired investment amount and click the relevant button to proceed. You will then be prompted to verify the details of your investment, after which you can click the Place Order button to complete the purchase. Upon doing so, your fractional share will be bought on Etrade.